Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys how can we unpair our Bluetooth speaker to our technophone. Friends, you want to unpair guys any Bluetooth speaker to your phone. So guys, how can you unpair? In this video guys I will show you. And guys, how can you change guys your Bluetooth speaker name in your technophone? I will also tell you. So first of all guys, open your phone setting to unpair your Bluetooth speaker. So we will on guys our phone setting to unpair our speaker. Then guys you can see this type of setting guys, click on guys this more connection setting guys, click on your Bluetooth setting, and guys you can see guys, we have paired this JBL Go speaker, and we will tap here this icon, and as you can see guys here this icon, so can tap here, and as you want to change this Bluetooth speaker device name, so as you can change from here, but guys I will not change. And guys, how can you unpair guys? Click on the forget option to unpair it. Then guys, it will unpair to your phone. Then guys, you cannot use guys. You will have to pair again if you use the Bluetooth speaker guys. So like that guys, you can unpair your Bluetooth speaker in your Techno phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.